Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add text in image into Microsoft Word. So firstly click on Insert, click on Pictures, select your image and click on Insert. Now click on Insert again and click on text box. Pick simple text box. Now type your text. Set. Change the size. Now click right button of your mouse on text box and in outline click no outline and fill color, no fill, select no fill and click now right button of your mouse on the image, click on wrap text and click on behind text. Now tag your text on the image. Change the color. Like this. So friends, by this method you can add your text on the images. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.